Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can pin an app and lock it to the screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on guided access. Next, in here, tap on guided access, tap on the toggle button and switch it on. Next, tap on passcode settings, and in here tap on set guided access passcode. Now put in the passcode that you want to use. So in this video, I'm just going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put in the password twice to confirm. After, you can also choose to end the guided access session with Face ID or not. So you can tap it on Face ID so that you can use Face ID to remove guided access. Now after, tap on the back key, and in here you can also set a time limit when you pin an app. So here we can set the alert sound for the time limit. So you can choose a sound. You can also have it speak aloud, so you can turn on speak to speak the time limits aloud just before the time ends. After that, you can also choose the display auto lock. So this will allow you to set how long it takes your iPhone to automatically lock during a guided access session. Okay, so once you have turned guided access on, we're going to go back to the home screen, and from here you can choose an app. So you can choose any app you want. So for example, I can open up YouTube or Netflix. So if you want to watch a video on Netflix, you can open it up and then triple click on the side button here, 1, 2, 3. Then tap on guided access. And then before you start the session, tap on options, and in here choose what you want to have, or choose what you want to allow to use during guided access. So here you can allow or don't allow this access to the side button. You can also turn on or turn off the volume buttons. Motion, you can block the keyboards or you can enable it. You can also block the touch screen, or you can enable it as well. And the last option is the time limit. So you can set the time limit. So for example, I can set it to 2 hours. Then tap on done once you have finished, and then tap on start. So now we have successfully pinned the app to the screen, and you can see here if I want to swipe up to go back to the home screen, I can't do that. I cannot swipe down to open up the notification center or the notifications center or the control center, sorry. And the only thing that I can do is to use the app that has been locked to the screen. And here I can use the app as per normal. And that's it. If I need to end the session, I can double click on this side button here, and it uses Face ID to end the session. Once the guided access has ended, I can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that is how you can lock the app, or how you can pin an app to the screen and lock it with a password. So once you lock it with a password, you can unlock it using a password. So here I can triple click 1, 2, 3, and I can tap on guided access. And here I will need to put in the password to unlock it, or I could use Face ID. And here I can change my options for the guided access session, or I can simply tap on the end button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.